reverse, but it can be treated well to live a normal life
Yes.
without any complications.
Yes. What about spinal injuries? For instance, forget about disc bulges. Scoliosis. You were just saying that
Yes,
scoliosis
deformities,
is
yeah,
a deformity.
Mm.
Can you return the spine back to its normal shape?
If the patient from young age go to rehabilitation and physical therapy sessions,
Yes.
maybe the scoliosis be in a good way, but it has the scoliosis has degrees.
Yes.
There are some degrees which are very
Complicated.
Yes, you need to surgery from the young age, from the infants. I see no, they are born with a spinal deformity with a third degree or with a degree which need to surgery to realign the bone. But there is some mild degree of scoliosis which can be treated by rehabilitation and physical therapy.
We have an image right now of how you're supposed to sit
Yes.
when you're dealing with laptops.
Yes. We have to sit, like I said, in a good, comfortable
Yes.
position. We sit for long hours, which can harm all the body. So sit in a good way. Your eyes in a comfortable position. The monitor should be.
You're not supposed to look
Yeah.
down, right? You're supposed to look straight.
Yes, straight or less down, just
Yes.
20 degrees or
Yes.
like that. Not bending, not upward.
Yes.
Don't look upward. Look in front of you or maybe lower slightly. Then the spine must be in a good way. We may put a cushion, small cushion in the back or a pillow on the back to relax the back and take the curvature of the spine. The spine has many curvatures which we have to keep them and not to exaggerate the curves.
Yes.
When we exaggerate the curves of the spine, it's a problem. We force or increase the lordosis, it's a very harmful problem.
Yes.
It will lead to many problems in the body, in the whole body, not only this side. All the body will be affected. Also, the hips and knees must be 90 degrees in sitting position.
Yes.
If we keep this position for a short time and take breaks, we will get beautiful results.
It seems that, like in modern times, people seem to have more back and joint problems.
Yeah.
Why is it different? Like, for instance, if we go back maybe even 40 years ago, people didn't have as many problems with their backs and joints.
Yes.
Why are things getting worse?
Due to technology. We see children from the beginning of their life sitting for hours playing PlayStation or laptop or anything. I see some children sitting in the floor, which is very wrong position.
Yes.
And they make many mistakes. The mother also has important role. Must tell the children how to be in a good position from their young age to prevent any injury for their children.
I know that, for instance, people who have back problems, they're recommended to sleep on something that is a little harder. Do you think that the beds today are also affecting how people...
Yes, I see a lot of beds which are soft. I don't recommend any soft bed or soft material for the neck or for the pillow or for the bed itself. Must be hard, not like the floor. I see a lot of doctors tell the patient, no, sleep on the floor. No, it's very wrong. We have to sleep on comfortable thing, but not soft.
Yes.
Hard mattress.
Yes.
Okay, not to give you a reaction force or something like this.
What about a pillow? Big pillow, small pillow?
One pillow. I see a lot of patients, 2 pillows or 3 pillows. No, it's not healthy at all. Just use one pillow made of cotton materials which were used in the past. Now they are using some bad materials like sponge or something which give more soft material.
Yes.
So we have to use one pillow made from cotton.
Well, you're also a specialist in nutrition.
Yes.
So what's nutrition got to do with bone health generally?
Really, they are related, very related to each other. I see a lot of patients having joint problems due to their overweight or being obese, because obesity make more stress and more force on the joints, which will lead to early arthritis. I see a lot of patients who are in 20s or 30s having some problems like arthritis from this young age.
We have a nutritional pyramid that was just previously
the food pyramid. We have to know about this food pyramid. And every day we have to make our food like this food pyramid.
Yes.
Like we have to increase the amount of fruits and vegetables. I see a lot of people don't use salads or fruits and vegetables.
We also have the page, Facebook page about nutrition and all of that posted for
Yes,
you.
okay. You can join the page for more useful information about nutrition. But the knowledge of the people is the main problem in nutrition.
Yes.
They lack the awareness of how to eat and what not to eat. I see a lot of families are happy with their children eating chocolate and potatoes or something like this, and not giving them the healthy food they need. Their bodies and for their growth they need many elements that they are not knowing about this.
So, I mean, has artificial coloring and the way things, even if it's healthy food, for instance, vegetables nowadays that are being grown, they use fertilizer and all of that. Does that affect the body?
Fertilizer also have a bad effects, but we have to go to organic.
Yes.
Nowadays we have to return to the past. I see a lot of countries now return to the alternative medicine and traditional medicine, and the past. Really, the past was better than now. Now we have to using a lot of fertilizer or something like many harmful chemicals in the food. So if we can use the organic food, it will be much better.
You were saying that bad nutrition could lead to different diseases such as arthritis and so forth. Aren't these diseases chronic?
Yes, chronic diseases, and must be prevented. I like to make the prevention is better than cure.
Yes.
If we prevent and have the knowledge how to prevent these diseases, we will have a very good and better life.
Well, obviously, a lot of countries around the world have a problem with obesity, and I think Egypt also has a slight problem with obesity. Does this affect joints in the spine? You get patients that come in that are overweight.
Obesity is a disease, dangerous disease that lead to many other diseases, like heart disease and hypertension and atherosclerosis and stroke and hemiplegia. All this can come from the food and the overeating and the wrong eating habits. So if we know this about these eating habits and the healthy eating, we will prevent all these problems and many problems that maybe a lot of people suffer nowadays. I see a lot of patients who are hemiplegic due to excess fat intake or excess oil and butter intake. It may be very harmful. It's not about the shape. I don't like people who consider obesity as a shape. No, it's not about the shape only. It's about the healthy lifestyle and to be more healthy and have the fitness in the daily activities and be comfortable in your everyday in your work.
Yes. Well, unfortunately, we ran out of time, Dr. Hiba. So, Dr. Hiba Samuddin, a specialist in rehabilitation, joints, spine, and nutrition, thank you so much for joining us in this episode. This brings us to the end of this episode of Women's World. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more on Nile TV.